But one day, something happened that turned the whole village upside down. Pappu believed in only three things: free food, free advice, free Wi-Fi, even though the village had none. His best friend was Golu, a thin boy with big eyes and even bigger fear.
Golu was scared of dogs, cats, hens, and sometimes even his own shadow.
One sunny morning, the villagers heard a strange announcement from the old loudspeaker near the banyan tree. Attention residents! The village froze. Free samosas?
Golu! This is our destiny!
But we don't have any talent.
Talent is temporary. Confidence is permanent.
Soon, the whole village became a circus.
La la la, dee dee dee, crackle pop.
Pappu decided to perform the world's most confusing comedy act. Golu! This is our destiny!
But we don't have any talent. Talent is temporary. Confidence is permanent. But we don't have any talent. I can do magic too. Oh no, my hair. Pappu decided to perform the world's most confusing comedy act. Does that mean? It means we do random things until people laugh.